Hi guys, Julius here for the Collision Drumsticks brand. I've been playing drums since I was about 4 years of age, which has been 15 years up at this point. Yeah, been super great. Really excited to be a part of Collision now. Used to play in some local bands here, but the scene is not that big where I'm from. So I kind of transitioned later on to just playing on my own, which has been really fun for the time that I've been doing it. It's more so a hobby of mine, but I really like to get in contact with brands and stuff like that, which has been super great from Collision's part. The sticks, let's talk about them a little bit. I got them right here. As you can see, I play the 5/8 with the nylon tip, which you need that for the metal blast beat goodness, all the stuff that I do, which is you know really nice on these drumsticks. So that's the first part I really like. The tip, it's super good. It's nylon. I need that consistency, like I said, and the tip doesn't break. It doesn't shatter. It's super nice and comfortable to play with. The rebound is absolutely crazy. Then second of all, you can see the stick is a little bit longer maybe than a regular 5A, and so the taper goes on for a long time. So you can see the stick is like tapered up until here, and right here, taper starts off. So that makes the weight balance of the stick really good, which makes it so that when you hit a drum, it bounces back even faster. So that's super good. Also, the little bit more length is also really nice to have, when I'm reaching like a China cymbal or a splash or something that's far away. And then third of all, which is really good, which I really like, is the finish. I don't really know what to do with it, but the finish is really comfortable in the hand. So it makes it so that when I'm playing and I get like sweaty hands and stuff, this stick completely ignores it. It's just amazing, I can easily play like fast blast beats or whatever with sweaty hands and not have my stick bounce out of my hand, which has been, really nice change of pace for me. I don't like using the grip stuff because I don't know, I think that's too much grip. But yeah, this is just a great blend in between, which is really nice. I'm about to play a little song for you. It's a jam that I did a little bit ago. It's not a metal song or anything. It's just a little jam I did over an instrumental guitar part. It's by the Surrealist, so a big shout out to him. And let's get right into the video.